Great American Audio presents pre-recorded announcements for your telephone answering machine. There are 8 messages on this side, which should delight your callers and invite them to leave creative messages of their own. Using any standard cassette player, listen to the messages first and choose one. This cassette may be played on any standard cassette player. Place your answering machine microphone 3 to 4 inches away from the cassette player's speaker and set the volume at medium. Immediately after the cueing chime, activate your answering machine to record. Stop it when the announcement is over. The beep signal will then follow.
I was busy undressing a soggy tuna on rye, feeling safe as a bank. There was a knock at the door. Some punk walked into the room. He was a quivering pat of butter, and his fingers trembled as he introduced the business end of a .45. Suddenly, the punk lunged at me. Good thing I waxed the floor. Leave a message while I clean up.
Down-be-dum-be, we may not be at home, you know that we've got a tape on our phone, you know that you just got to wait for the tone, then you can talk to me. Just leave a message at the tone.
Hello. This is Dr. Feelgood. No one's home right now, and I'm just using the place as my office. I'm sure you have very mixed emotions about not reaching the person you called. Now let's think about that a moment. What did you really have in mind by making this call? And do you really want to speak to that person? Perhaps you want to work out your anxieties by leaving a really hostile message. And then again, maybe you don't.
Hello, and thanks for calling. We're just having a romantic candlelight dinner for 2. The wine is chilling nicely, the brie is ripe, and there's music in the air. Darling, why don't you finish the message while I uncork the wine?
Hello? At the beep, please leave your name and message, okay? Beep.
Permit me to enlighten you. This is not the butler, nor is this the chambermaid, the gardener, or the houseboy. The very idea is poo-poo. If you must leave a message, you may do so at the beep. But remember, incomplete messages are treated the old-fashioned way. We burn them.
It's cold, it's impersonal. I just can't talk to these machines anymore. I don't even call people anymore.
Okay, thank you for calling. This is Dial and Complain, and the topic is how you feel about talking to those awful answering machines. Let's take another call, shall we? Hello, you're on the air.
Nobody's around to answer your call.
But this rapping machine is gonna help you all.
So don't say goodbye. Don't hang up the phone.
Just leave your bad rap at the sound of the tone. Wait for the beat, huh? Wait for the beat, huh? Wait for the beat, huh? Check out the beat.
We hope that you've enjoyed these phone announcements. There are additional announcement tapes forthcoming. If you have a great idea for a message, or you've heard one that really tickled your funny bone, we would love to hear it. For any message received that we use, we will happily send you a surprise gift. Send your ideas to Great American Audio Company, 33 Portman Road, New Rochelle, New York, 10801. Attention, Helene. Great American Audio presents a series of pre-recorded sound effects for your use in creating your own answering messages. Each sound effect is 20 seconds in length and should be used simultaneously with your own message as background or introduction. Let your imagination fly and have a good time devising your own special announcements. We hope you have a good time creating your own messages. If you have a creation you think is especially good, we would love to hear it. For any message received that we may use on forthcoming phone announcement tapes, we will happily send you a surprise gift. Send your ideas to Great American Audio Company, 33 Portman Road, New Rochelle, New York, 10801. Attention, Helene. And here's hoping your announcements are so inspired that you get all your messages.